Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a skincare step that's often misunderstood, but absolutely essential. Toner, what is it? Why do you need it? And most importantly, how do you use it correctly? Stick around because we're about to clear up all the confusion and help you get that radiant, healthy-looking skin you've always wanted. First, let's bust a myth. Many people think toners are harsh, alcohol-based liquids that strip your skin. While that might have been true for the astringents of the past, modern toners are a completely different story. Today's formulas are packed with gentle, beneficial ingredients designed to address a variety of skin concerns. Think of toner as the final step of your cleansing routine and the first step of your treatment routine. Its main job is to rebalance your skin's pH level after cleansing, which can be slightly disrupted by cleansers and tap water. A balanced pH is crucial for a healthy skin barrier, helping your skin to better protect itself from environmental stressors and bacteria. So, what's in these magical potions? You'll find a wide array of ingredients depending on the toner's purpose. Hydrating toners often contain humectants like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and aloe vera, which draw moisture into the skin, leaving it plump and dewy. These are fantastic for all skin types, especially dry or dehydrated skin. Then there are exfoliating toners. These usually feature alpha-hydroxy acids or AHAs like glycolic or lactic acid, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs like salicylic acid. These ingredients gently dissolve dead skin cells, helping to improve skin texture, unclogged pores, and brighten your complexion. They're a game changer for those with oily, acne-prone, or dull skin. You'll also find calming and soothing toners, perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. Look for ingredients like chamomile, calendula, or cica, also known as Centella asiatica. These help to reduce redness and inflammation, providing a sense of relief and comfort to stressed-out skin. And let's not forget treatment toners, which might contain antioxidants like vitamin C to fight free radicals, or niacinamide to help with pore size and skin tone. The key is to choose a toner that specifically targets your primary skin concerns. Don't just grab any bottle off the shelf. Read the ingredient list and understand what it's formulated to do. Now, for the main event, how to apply toner correctly. There are a few different methods, and the best one for you depends on your skin type and the type of toner you're reusing. The first and most common method is using a cotton pad. After cleansing and patting your face dry, saturate a soft cotton pad with your toner. Don't be shy. You want the pad to be damp, not just lightly spritz. Then gently sweep the pad across your entire face, neck, and even your décolletage. Start from the center of your face and move outwards. This method is excellent for exfoliating toners, as the physical motion of the pad helps to lift away dead skin cells and any lingering impurities your cleanser might have missed. It provides a final, thorough clean, ensuring your face is a perfect canvas for the rest of your skincare. The second method is the press and pat technique, which is especially popular in Korean skincare. This is my personal favorite for hydrating and calming toners. Instead of a cotton pad, you use your clean hands. Pour a small amount of toner, about the size of a quarter, into the palm of one hand. Rub your palms together to distribute the product, and then gently press your hands onto your face. Pat the toner into your skin, starting with your cheeks, then your forehead, chin, and nose. The warmth of your hands helps the product absorb more effectively, and the gentle patting motion stimulates circulation. This method minimizes product waste and is incredibly gentle on the skin, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin types. Plus, it feels like a mini spa treatment right at home. Have you ever heard of the 7-skin method? This is an advanced hydration technique that involves applying 7 layers of a hydrating toner, one after the other. It sounds intense, but it's a fantastic way to drench your skin in moisture. After cleansing, you apply the first layer of your hydrating toner using the patting method. Before it fully dries, you apply the second layer, then the third, and so on, up to 7 layers. Your skin will drink it up, leaving you with an incredible, glass-like glow. This is perfect to do once or twice a week, or before a special event when you want your skin to look its absolute best. Just be sure you're reusing a toner that's free from alcohol and exfoliating acids for this method. Another great way to use toner is as a DIY face mask. Take a few thin, separable cotton pads and soak them completely in your chosen hydrating or soothing toner. Separate the layers and place them on specific areas of your face that need extra attention, like your cheeks, forehead, or chin. Leave them on for 5 to 10 minutes, just like a sheet mask. This provides a concentrated dose of toner's benefits right where you need it most, helping to quickly soothe redness or combat dryness. It's a quick and easy way to give your skin a customized treatment boost without needing a separate product. Let's talk about timing. When should you use toner? The golden rule is to apply it immediately after cleansing on either dry or slightly damp skin. Think of your skin like a sponge. A dry sponge doesn't absorb water very well, but a damp sponge soaks it right up. The same principle applies to your skin. Applying toner to slightly damp skin can enhance its absorption and the absorption of the serums and moisturizers that follow. You should use toner both in your morning and evening routines. In the morning, it preps your skin for makeup application. In the evening, it helps to remove any final traces of the day and prepares your skin for its nighttime repair process. One common mistake to avoid is over-exfoliating. If you're using an exfoliating toner with AHAs or BHAs, you might not need to use it every single day, especially if you have sensitive skin or are new to chemical exfoliants. Start by using it 2 to 3 times a week and see how your skin reacts. If you experience any redness, irritation, or excessive dryness, scale back. The goal is a healthy glow, not a compromised skin barrier. On the days you're not using an exfoliating toner, you can opt for a simple hydrating one to keep your skin balanced and happy. Listening to your skin is the most important part of any skincare routine. So, to recap, toner is a multitasking hero. It removes final impurities, balances your skin's pH, and preps it for the rest of your routine. Choose a toner based on your skin's needs, hydrating, exfoliating, or calming. Apply it with a cotton pad for a final cleanse, or pat it in with your hands for maximum absorption and hydration. You can even get creative with DIY masks or the 7-skin method for an extra boost. Incorporating this simple step correctly can truly transform your skin, making it smoother, clearer, and more radiant. It's not just an extra step, it's a foundational one that makes all your other products work better. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this deep dive into the world of toners has been helpful and inspired you to give your toner the attention it deserves. What's your favorite way to use toner? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more skincare tips and tutorials, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.